Game of Thrones Season 8 Episode 2v 2.0 The Crannogman, August 13, 2017, White Harbor, Davos. Gendry and Jorah arrive with weapons. They meet the Hound, who going to escort them to Winterfell. The Hound and Gendry talk about which one of them Arya might be happy to see. The group head to Winterfell. Dragonstone. Tyrion and Varys arrive to pick up the last of the Dragonlance weapons shipment. The two talk about Cersei's pregnancy, and if she will blow up Gale once the Great War is over. Suddenly, 10,000 soldiers storm the island. The Golden Company take the Castile. We see Drio enter. Tyrion is surprised to see him. Euron enters as well. They tell Tyrion and Varys that Cersei requires their presence. They also take the Dragonlance shipment. Winterfell. An older woman has come to see Beric. Beric knows she is Melisandre. She tells him of her orders and he must be prepared to join their power to save the living. Davos. Gendry, Jorah and the Hound arrive. Lord Royce, Grey Worm and Jorah are given the task of outfitting the armies with the new weaponry. Arya reunites with the Hound and Gendry. A council meeting is held. Jon convinces all to pledge support for Dany. Jon Bewill, Warden of the North. Robin Arryn, Warden of the East, for his bravery at the Dragon Pit and beyond the Wall. Sandor Clegane is named Warden of the West. Sam Tarly is called out by the Queen. Jorah comes forward as well. She tells Sam he will be rewarded for curing Jorah. Sam will be given Hornhill and named Warden of the South. He thanks Dany, but he says his father won't give up his keep that easily. This confuses Dany. She tells Sam that his father and brother refused to bend the knee, so she executed them both for treason. Sam is in shock. He asks her did she burn them. Dany replies she did. Sam says all he can think about is his mother. His father he had no love for, but his brother is other story. Sam goes on a terrible tirade against Dany. Sam tells everyone he refuses to bend the knee to a mad queen. King's Landing. Euron has brought his prisoners to the Red Keep. Cersei instructs Drio and the Golden Company to remove the gold cloaks, and to lock down the city. Euron asks where is Jaime. Cersei tells him he representing her in the Great War. Euron tells her wants his reward now. Cersei says nothing. Euron takes it as a yes. Euron looks at Tyrion and says he will name his first heir Joffrey to endlessly torture Tyrion and Jaime. Tyrion just laughs. He says his brother beat him to it. Cersei stands up to reveal that she is pregnant. Moat Cailin, the Crannogmen of the Neck have garrisoned at Moat Cailin, to prevent anyone from traveling north. Jaime and his army approach. Howland allows them stay with them. Bronn and Jaime dine with Howland and Mera. Jaime wants to know how he and Ned defeated Sir Arthur and Sir Gerald. Howland tells him the truth. He saved Ned by backstabbing Sir Arthur. Jaime also says it's hard for him to believe Sir Arthur killed Lyanna. Howland tells him Sir Arthur didn't kill her. Jaime asks how did she die? Childbirth. Jaime thoughts turn to Cersei and his unborn child. Jaime wants to head back to KL. Howland then knows Cersei is pregnant. Howland tells Jaime that every dirty secret about him and Cersei is true. Bronn convinces Jaime he has to stay and fight for his child. Jaime agrees. He sits back down and Howland says he will tell him Ned Stark's dirty little secret, and what happened to Rhaegar and Lyanna's son. Ned knew if Robert found out about the boy Robert would kill him, so Ned did the only thing he knew to do. He claimed the boy has his bastard son. Jaime responds is the bastard of Winterfell. Jon Snow.